Hello students. Last tutorial we did the preposition. Okay, what is preposition? What is the use of preposition? And we have understood various preposition. In this tutorial, I have given some good activities related to preposition. Now activity 1. What you do in activity 1, you have to read the given passage, read the given lines. Okay, there are several errors in each line and these are related to preposition only. Underline each error, you have to write down the error and write down the correct answer after that. Okay, like Rakesh is a doctor at profession. Here you have to write down the error, like I will give you the solution of first answer at, okay, and answer will be by. Rakesh is a doctor by profession, so by. Okay, here you will understand more deeply how preposition can be used in sentences and different activities. In activity 2 you have, there are multiple choice question. Okay, there are 20 questions. Okay, what you have to do, you have to go through the question properly. There are 4 options given. Okay, write the answer in your notebook, and after completion of all these activities there will be answer section separately. You have to check your all answers one by one and give marks to yourself. It will show how much you have understood the topic, and if you are not thorough, you can revise again each and every usage of preposition through various books or tutorials. Okay. In activity 3, what you have to do, you have to complete the following sentence with correct preposition given in the brackets. Okay, he was ill for a week, comma, and dash that week he ate nothing. So there are two options given. You have to write down correct option. I repeat again, all answers are given after completion of all these activities. So you write in notebook correct answer and check your answers whether it is correct or not and give marks to yourself. It will give you judgment how much you are thorough with this particular topic. In activity 4, again it is edit the following sentence using the correct preposition. In each and every sentence mistake is there. You have to write down the correct answer. Okay, you write the whole sentence, it will make you more understand. We laughed on his manner of eating. So write down the correct answer of this, and answers will be given after each and every activity's completion. Activity 5 is knowledge base. Because there is no option given, you have to fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. Okay, the shop is open dash 9 a.m. dash 9 p.m. dash weekdays. So write down answers of number 1 and check your answers after that. If you have any doubt, you can watch my preposition tutorial, okay, in the given my only with channel only, and check, clear your doubts, and you can go through different books for that. In activity 6, again put in the preposition from the bracket. There's a bracket given, you have to write down correct preposition from the given bracket in activity 6. In activity 7, what you do, you have to put in the missing preposition. Okay, the plan has been changed, but nobody seems to know the reason dash this. So you have to apply the proper preposition. Okay, I'll give you the answer of this. The plan has been changed, but nobody seems to know the reason for this. Okay. Activity 8, you have to complete the sentence by using one of the preposition. Okay. There is an option given. There are various in bracket. There are various answers given: at, since, in, during, on, until, by, for, into. Okay, you have to select any one preposition, like he arrived dash 1 o'clock, at 1 o'clock, dash the afternoon, in the afternoon, on Sunday. Okay, at, in, on. Same way you have to write down all the answers in your notebook. If you write a sentence, it will improve your sentence skill also, and then check your answers whether the answers are correct or not. In activity 9, you have to complete the sentence with in, at, or on. Okay, only these three words will come in each sentence.